Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Cover Design. Today I'm coming at you with what will hopefully be a short video on what I am going to do to combat what I am going to call duplicity. Twice now I have had occasions where I thought I was buying a new to me sticker book and it has turned out that it is not new. And I actually have duplicates. Now, I will say, mostly, this is due to them changing the covers, because they look different when it's a different cover. I'm used to this cover, and now they've changed it to this cover sheet. Let me know as well down below if you prefer this style. This style is much better in my opinion. I can see at a glance what's on there. This, I can't. Happy Planner, in case you are watching, change it back to this. Nobody liked that. Nobody likes this. Change it back to these. So I've had two occasions where I have bought the same sticker book by accident. Now, I have bought the same sticker books before, like I've had multiple copies. On these occasions, I have done it by accident. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create, for me, this is my solution. I'm going to create a list on my phone. So I have an Android, I have a Google Pixel. So mine is going to be in the Keep notes. And you could do this on Apple in your Notes app or whatever it is. Maybe you have a Google Doc and you just have your Google Doc on your phone. Whatever it is. New list. Title. Sticker books I own. I own these sticker books. Stop trying to buy new ones. So all I'm going to do, so I have 4 of these containers, I think. I have 5 of these containers. So, and then plus sticker books that are in my planner tote and my planner cart. I'm going to try and go through the whole of my Happy Planner stash, because this really only happens with Happy Planner. I'm going to go through the whole of my Happy Planner stash and write down all of the books that I have, and then I'm going to do them, and I'm going to do them in alphabetical order. Cheerful Seasons times 2, because I'm an idiot. And I'm just going to see if that will help me stop buying duplicate books. And I'm literally doing this video just as a suggestion for you. And ones, I think, that have multiple copies, like there's multiple mismakers, I can either put teal or just put the year on it. I think I'm going to put the year on this. This is 2021. Now I'm also putting whether or not it's the classic, the mini, the big, whatever. All right, that is one done. I am going to go complete the collection, but I just wanted to come in and say this might be something that you want to do, especially if, like me, you have a lot of sticker books. Just give yourself 20 minutes, 5 minutes a day, whatever. Go through one stack of sticker books, put them in your phone, because you will have your phone on you all the time, pretty much, right? 99.9% of the time, you have your phone on you. Make a list in your phone, and then when you buy something, put it in your phone before you put it in your stash. All right, I hope you found this helpful. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye.